Hello, I'm Fulgencio Navarro. I am the engineering manager of Project Hafnia. We are here at IC West announcing Project Hafnia in the first booth that we have in a conference. The project announced 2 weeks ago, and we are here presenting what is Project Hafnia and a live demo of one of the first services that we are offering out of Project Hafnia. What we have here is we started working in traffic, so traffic has been our first landing place, and we decided to put together a data library for traffic applications. We have around 1 million hours of video fully labeled, and to show the power of the library, to show the power of the data we have, we decided to train a VLM on it, to train a computer, the most complex computer vision model you can train today, in that data library to showcase what people can build on the library. Project Hafnia is looking to work with customers like Blaize, where we think there is a very good synergy actually in very different scopes. So the first and most obvious one is Blaize is developing analytics, it's getting better analytics out there. It's also looking for ways to improve their own analytics. And we are having data in our platform, and our scope is that they can get access, you can get access to that data to get better analytics, to customize that to the end customers. So that's a clear first touching point we are exploring together. Then, of course, we know that you have this optimization process afterwards to get the models running on your own chips and deployed on your own infrastructure. So with our library, people can start developing models, and then they can have the option of downloading and optimizing them for your own chips. So we are also exploring, or we would like to explore the possibility of having an optimization for Blaize button on the platform, so after you are done training and improving your models, you can download those models directly optimized to be running on Blaize platform. So the way it works, if you think in a simplified way, is like a ChatGPT for video. You can be an operator looking at the cameras, and you can use it in different ways. One way of using it is, hey, I'm looking at the cameras and I'm having to monitor 500 cameras, 1,000 cameras, and I have to check them every half an hour. And I need to validate the weather conditions, for example, or the traffic status of them. I can select some of them, many of them, as much as you want, and schedule with different frequencies to be analyzed for different purposes. And this is an example of a prompt you can get in the model. And you can, for example, text things like, hey, give me information about the general weather, give me information about the visibility, about the road surface, but you can also ask about the traffic status, whatever you want. You will type it, and then you can select a part of the video to be processed, and it will be sent to the model, and the model will generate a summary with the information you asked for. So now this is general purpose analytics. You don't have a specific application. The analytics do whatever you select in the prompt. So you can see here the video is being processed already, and you have here the outcome of the analysis. And you can see it's super detailed, but it's also in the format you asked for. So it's doing general weather condition, it's a foggy highway. It's showing visibility is poor, and it's also explaining why, due to the dense fog. Road surface is wet, and it's also explaining why. It's saying, hey, it looks like it's wet because it's showing reflection on the lights, and you can see that by playing the video. So there is probably a vehicle somewhere appearing, and based on the lights, it's detecting that the surface is wet. So it's really trying to give you an understanding on why it's making the decisions. You have to generate a report of an incident that happened. You can go use it like ChatGPT again, and you can prompt, hey, an accident just happened. Can I get a summary or a report on the accident? Yes. You type that as a prompt, and you get back this analysis. So there is an intersection, a white van moves forward and collides with a black SUV, damaging both vehicles. The van front end is damaged, so you get a very detailed analysis of what's going on in the scene, but also whatever the format you are asking for. And one other use case we also foresee is with models like this one, with the BLM, super heavy, not meant to be running on a stream video, not meant to be running on all the video. There is a very good synergy between having Blaize models doing the heavy lifting, processing all the streams, doing the real-time analytics, and then when you need more specific details, maybe because an alert, like the ones I saw pop up, now you call this big guy, and it's helping you to get more the details, to understand a little bit deeper. So this parent-child relation is also something we are looking forward to exploring more production environment. That's the status we are. We are in private access now, and we are trying to onboard customers like partners and users like Blaize, for example, into our ecosystem to give us feedback and to help us develop and grow the platform even more. So that's Project Hafnia, and it's me, Fulgencio Navarro. Thank you for having me.